So you've got a PDF document and you need to sign it, or you need to fill in some information and then sign it. Well, let's take a look at how we can do that. First, I'm going to open up PDF. For the purposes of this, it doesn't really matter. So I have a standard PDF. Looks like every other PDF around. I can show you 3 ways that you can modify or sign this PDF. First, open in Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is available in the kiosk. We come up, we click Tools, Fill and Sign. Then it asks if I want to fill and sign it, or do I want to request other people to sign it. Let's go with fill and sign, but you get the idea what the other one's about. You just put little tabs down for people to sign. What this does, go and fill and sign, you've got a new toolbar. And on this toolbar, I can type text. I can mark things with an X. I can mark things with a check. I can circle them. I can draw a line. I can even make dots. I can also sign something. So there are a couple ways you can get a signature in here. I can click and it will bring up a typed faux signature. If any of you have ever seen my signature, this is definitely not it. But it will type it using a handwriting font. I can actually draw it. And to do that, you're going to need to use 2 fingers, your non-writing hand to click and hold the left lower corner of your MacBook touchpad, and then just sign on the touchpad. And it's not really good, but hey, that's what you get. So I apply that. Whoop. And I can now sign it. Or I can add initials. And it knows my initials are RM. So I can initial or I can sign. So that's coming up. Clicking on Tools, Fill and Sign. The other 2 ways to get there, and they function exactly the same way once you get there. Up at the top, there's a toolbar for adding a sticky note, for highlighting text, for signing a document, or for editing the text or image that's on there. Third way to get there is on the right menu bar. I've got a fill and sign. And it is exactly the same thing. Well, that should just about wrap this up, and we will talk to you later. Be safe. Bye.
Well, that wraps up another great episode of Innovate Your Classroom. Stay tuned for more with Chris,
Sarah, Krishana, Paige, Stacy,
and Rob.